Fala aí galera, aqui se ligado no canal Brilho Games. E hoje aqui galera, eu vou gravar Dream Leg Saucer. Então vamos lá. Deixa eu ver o negócio, não tá. Não, que o cara aqui machucou meu capitão. Não, foi só um anúncio aqui, tá? Então, vamos lá! Eu gostava de jogar o Dream Leg Saucer 14, mas não tem como mais baixar. Então, eu vou jogar isso aqui mesmo. Impedimento, né? Porque eu sou muito noob. Tá 0-0 ainda. Tá de boa, tá de boa. Aí, ó, deu um carrinho na bola. Então vai. Deixa eu jogar essa porra sério. Oh my god. Deixa eu jogar sério. Toma uma chaleirinha. Oh! Cuidado de roleio. Oh, Murray! O goleiro louco tentando comprar. Golaço! É, do Santos FC.
So the first goal today, great work from the player there, and I'll be hoping to get more. The referee gets the game back underway, and he's back in possession. Oh, he did really well there. Well cut out. They have the ball again, and he's won it back for his team. Benteke. Good clean game so far. He's got the that's a safe piece of goalkeeping. Williams. Really well there. Oh, he's onside here. Oh, here's Benteke, and it's saved by the keeper. The captain then. Oh, that's a foul. Close lead here, but the losing side can still salvage a point as they look threatening on the attack. And they get it away. Moore. Benteke. Intercepted. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Optimistic effort. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. And it's full time here. The game's settled with a decisive goal. Great performance by this player. He fully deserves to be named.
You lose. It's only for us two. I win. You lose. Remember days when we were all alone. If you would ever leave me, I would call your phone. We would talk for days and never leave my home. I think about it. Always find a reason to be strong upon. Always wondered if, but when you break my heart, you would try and argue with me from the start. I can live without it. Come on and baby, take my hand now. Remember when we used to say now. Through it all, the kindness where we always hide it. Being disregarded, you wonder why you're broken hearted. Been a time before, we've been since we started. Yeah, I will. You lose. It's only for us. I will. I'm with you, I'm sober time, but we can never be one with an open sky. I think about it. Never took the time to ever wonder why. Could have been the cause that we'd be laugh or cry, but we were never.
Well, the fans will be hoping for an exciting match here today. The players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. The next 90 minutes should be captivating. Then Teke. And he scored! It came at an awkward height, but the player managed to connect well and put the ball in the back of the net. That goal's been coming, and there are surely more goals to come in this match. So we're off again here. Law, they have the ball again. Ooh, that's a rash challenge there. The weather conditions are absolutely perfect. We could be in for a real treat today. Shoots! He got a good hand behind that. Law, striker's ball. Interception. Played in field. Well intercepted. Or Benteke. Well read. Law. Johnson. No advantage there. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Well to win the ball back. Law. Can he finish it? He's almost celebrating, so unlucky. Benteke. Good effort, and it's saved by the keeper. And it's half-time there.
Acabou o primeiro tempo.
So we're underway. Let's see what the next 45 minutes brings. Oh, we did really well there. Surely now. Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally now. And the referee gets the game going again. Now, this could be costly. Here's Benteke. Not the best effort there. Let's take another look at that. Law. Good interception. No advantage there. Looks like the referee's going to have words here, but he's going to keep his cards in his pocket. Let's see that. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Lucas in possession. Dominating the play now. Really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. The striker was looking out of the danger zone there. by the goalkeeper. Oh, determined Chaddock now. That was close. Not much in it there at all. Well, you have to say there's not much chance of a comeback here now. Oh, well intercepted. The defender's back on the ball. Good by Lucas. Oh, he's onside here. Oh, they've won the ball back again. Taylor. That's full time now. No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player's been outstanding.